Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can design a professional sketchbook for your merchandise or dropshipping store. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open Canva, then go to the print products section, and here go to the gifts part. And here, if you scroll down, you will find the sketchbook down on the bottom. And when you tap on it, Canva is going to create for you a design page, which already has the exact ratio, quality, and size that you need for such a sketchbook. And from here, you can go and upload your designs, your logos, you can add text, or you can use photos from the Canva library. And then you can use one of these templates that Canva offers for sketchbooks. All of these templates are created by professional designers and they are optimized for sales. So I would highly recommend using one of these. And when you add a template like this to your design, you can go and customize any detail of the design. You can add your own titles, you can change the text, you can even change the graphic elements that are included into the design, so you can make it your own. You can change the colors, backgrounds, even the color of the design elements. So really the sky is the limit in customization. And they have templates for any different niches or topics. So if I'm sure you can find one that fits your personal brand. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.